Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make a Middle East meal called Mandy. First, we divide a chicken. We need half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and mix them well to cover the chicken. And add this sauce to the chicken liver and stomach and heart. Three cups of rice and wash them well. The spices are black lemon powder, half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, some coriander seeds, some cardamom seeds, some bay laura. Add them on the rice. Then we need 3 cups of boiled water and add them to the rice and stir them well. Cover the rice with 2 layers of foil paper and make a cavity in the middle to put the chicken. Second layer. Make some holes with knife. Put the chicken above. And cover them all with foil paper. Put them in the oven in 200 degrees about 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, we remove the upper layer of foil paper to roast the chicken and give it a nice color. We remove the seeds and leaves out of rice as we can. We put the chicken again and we heat 2 pieces of coil and put them in a foil paper and add some oil and cover them again. Bon appétit in Egypt بالهنا والشفا.